This is Rob Burns, affiliate Royaltie. Purpose of this video is I'm going to explain how to build a team of 100 members or 100 affiliates with Royaltie affiliate program. I'm using a lead magnet or a lead scraper software. As you can see, this is the Royaltie homepage. If you don't know what Royaltie is, Royaltie, in my terms, is an advertising platform. Okay, they help small businesses get advertising on their products and services. Royaltie has a 3-day free trial that you can sign up. They'll give you 1,000 ad view impressions on your landing page. Okay, for 3 days. You have two options. You have the 3-day, or you can get all in. Okay? The 3-day, you build your landing page. You have 1,000 ad view impressions with that. And it doesn't come with affiliate commissions. In other words, you can't earn in 3-day. Want to get all in? The basic product or the basic package is $47 a month. That's what most of the affiliates are joining at, is the basic product. You don't earn on activation fee. That's $30. You earn only on the packages. Okay, that's $47. My goal is to show you the lead magnet that I have to attract the customer or the new prospect. You earn 100% commission on every product that you sell as an affiliate with Royaltie. Okay, so my goal is to get 10, to show you how to get 10 and have them duplicate by giving away the software. When they join you in Royaltie, they get the software at no cost. Okay, so as you can see, this one here is 5,000 ad views. Most affiliates won't come in at 10,000 or 25 or 50, but we'll target them later to get the 50,000. Okay, I'm going to show you the software that I'm offering for people to join me in Royaltie. Let's page load up. This is my software with my brand. As you can see, laser list extractor. What this software does, it targets home-based business owners who advertise on the top 8 social media sites. We use that to contact them about our services, our advertising services in Royaltie. Every time somebody signs up, we earn a commission. So you'll get this lead scraper tool as a lead magnet or whatever you want to call it to attract people to your team. Okay. So basically what you do is you sign up over here at Royaltie. You can try the 3-day trial if you like. You'll still get the software. Recruit 10. That'll earn you $470 plus a $250 bonus for bringing in 10. Okay? To build your team at 100, all you do is have them 10 duplicate what you did. You have a team of 100. They stay active. You earn $4,700 a month. Okay? That's pretty simple. You just decide what package. Like I said, most of them go for this package here. So the choice is yours. I hope you enjoy the video. I hope I welcome you on my team. Have a great day.